Hello everyone, it's Ruth here, your resident piano pro for Musical U. And today we have a kind of a special, unique, different resource pack. Today we have something special, and that is I'm going to be learning a song by ear before your very eyes. I have not heard it before. It's a song that was given to me we swapped songs between the various resident pros. So I got the song from Dylan, who's the guitarist, the guitar resident pro, and I'm really excited to listen to it. You guys are going to watch me. Okay, let's have one more listen and then I'll see if I can play it for you. So you're watching this live. I'm actually just figuring this out. I've heard it 3 times. We've just listened to it 3 times. We've figured out the chords. I have an awful memory. So normally when I work out songs by ear, I listen to them a lot so that I can remember how the melody goes.